We are live.
Oh, we are live. Hi, and welcome to Bake Club Live. Today we are going to make banana loaf, and it's easy peasy Japanesey. So we put our recipe online, and I've got the recipe in here. So it's a bit of an all-in-one method if you're either baking along or you're going to do this later. It's we've got all our ingredients out here, and then we've got our loaf tin that's lined with baking paper. We've got a jug, a bowl and a sieve, and another bowl. Bananas, of course, and a masher, because we are just going to lightly mash our bananas before we put it all together. So I've just got Penny doing this one with me today. So she's going to be my chief masher. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to weigh out and mixer. We're going to weigh out all our dry ingredients into a bowl. So I've got my bowl here, and I've got my sieve on top, and we need 225 grams of self-raising flour. So Penny, do you want to grab that spoon?
Yeah,
Just change that to grams. The big one. Okay. So Penny, I'm going to scoop some in. We need 225 grams. So we're going to need quite a bit. A bit more than that. Oh, have a look at the numbers. 221, 22, 23, 24, 20. Okay, perfect. I'm going to shake the spoon out. Okay, whoop. And now,
that's probably good.
Very good. Just sift that through there for me.
Yeah, which spoon?
So you can give it a little shake. The big spoon. We'll give it a little shake and sift. Go on, you do it round. All in. Go on. Okay, and the next thing we're going to put in is our caster sugar. So we're done with the sieve. Nearly. Okay, that's fine like that. So we'll just set the sieve to one side. Then we're going to add in 150 grams of caster sugar. Okay, big spoon again. We want 150 this time, Penny. So
it's like a waterfall of sugar.
It is like a waterfall of sugar. Keep your eyes on the numbers. What are we on there? Look down. 136. Oh, hold on. We've gone slightly too high, so we'll just take that middle amount of caster sugar. Get us down. There we go, 150. The next thing we're going to need is our raising agents. Now, this
what's our raising agents?
Our baking powder and our bicarbonate, and we're going to use a teaspoon of each. So we only want a level teaspoon. You don't want to go too high on this, so you want a little bit more than that. You scoop a bit more, and then as you scoop it out the pot, if you pull it across the top, then it'll level it off for us. There we go. So 1 teaspoon in of that. And then 1 of the baking powders. If you put too much in, it will rise too high and then start to fall down again in the oven. So yeah, well, we'll go with that. That's quite heat half, so that's more like a level 1. So we've got our raising agents in there. You don't want the cake to rise too much and then drop down because you've put too much raising agent in it. So we're going to do a little bit of salt.
Hold it down, and when you're trying to eat it,
Like that. Okay, do you want to do a few little turns of salt for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And now, Penny, can you...
What's the salt for?
Do you know, you put it in all recipes. I'm not 100% sure, I'm totally honest. I don't know whether it's to neutralise something, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can mix. Whilst Penny's mixing, I'm just going to weigh out our vegetable oil. So all you need to do is just simply mix them together. And then the vegetable oil that we're going to put in, we're going to put 125 mils of vegetable oil. Get that back to 0. That's the last of that one. How's it looking, Penny? It's looking good.
Good as new.
Good as new? Good as old or good as new, we're not quite sure today. So we're having 125 grams. Whoop. Oh, that, perfect, 125. Now Penny, into this, do you want to crack our eggs?
Yeah.
So you're a very good egg cracker, aren't you? So we're going to crack our eggs. And then
why do we need it to put into here?
Because we're going to put all our wet ingredients together and then add them to our dry ingredients. That's one. You get it now, that's good. Oh, well done. Whoop! That's like a big flop, wasn't it? There we go. So, do you want to go and give your hands a quick wipe?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got our eggs and our oil in here. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to mash our bananas. Now, bananas for this cake. Ideally, you want pretty ripe bananas. So speckled black or black all over is fine. If all your bananas like this, it's okay, but I would mash them quite finely before you add them in and mix them through. These will mash up a lot easier. These also, as you can see, are quite large bananas. So I said 2.5 large or 3 small. So I'm going to do 2 of these and half of one of these. So Penny, do you want to? Okay. Do you want to peel those for me? And once they're peeled, I'd like you to put them in this bowl.
So relaxing, just like peeling a banana.
It is, isn't it? So pop it in the bowl for me. Whilst Penny pops them and mashes them up, I'm just going to give those a little mix and add them to the dry. And then we're going to put these into beat for like 15-20 seconds until they're all mixed up before we add the banana. So we'll just pop these into the KitchenAid. How you doing, Pen?
Good.
And turn this on.
Now I mash them.
Well, we need half of this one, so you start mashing those 2.
So I've never liked bananas.
Me either.
I think bananas are a bit of a, like Marmite, a bit of a love or a hate situation. I love a banana. I think they're really nice. But, funnily enough, I could only have a small one, otherwise I find they sit quite heavy. That's it, so really good push down. Oh, and again. And again. So this morning was dressed up on Joe Wicks because it's Friday. So Penny went as Joe Wicks in gym gear. Which was good, wasn't it? Can we get one more big mash there?
I was just losing a bit of signal there, so I've just come back towards the front door.
I don't know why we're losing a signal. Sorry if that went a bit fuzzy then. Okay, so we've got our banana all mashed. And we're going to add this into our mix. So would you like to add it in? Okay. So if you just have a look at the mix now. It's quite thick.
Hey, let me see.
It's quite a thick mix.
Oh.
Now the banana will make this over. Now I can't bring the mix back. So let me get you a little spoon. Can you put all that banana in there for me? What's your hair? Just scoop it down in. That's it.
It's like scrambled egg.
Yeah.
I'd say a bit nicer than that bit there than what scrambled egg looks like. So essentially, if you're in a real rush, you can just throw everything into your bowl, whip it together and throw it in the oven. But I prefer to give my bananas a bit of a mash first, and I think then it actually mixes a lot easier. So do you want to turn that to number 6 for me? Go on, up again. Oh, that's it, that's it. Well done. So this is becoming a lot looser now, and we are just almost finely mashing them now. They're in the bowl. How does that look? Good?
What's happened to your hand?
What's happened to my hand? Oh. Do you want to get a spatula out for me so we can scrape it out? So we've added the eggs in with the oil. They've all gone in. So you carefully get one of your spatulas for me. Yes, what's happened to my hand? I went for a run on Wednesday morning and fell and had to use my hands as brakes on gravel on the ground. So I've mashed up my hand here quite nastily. But it'll get better. I don't think we need to, but the big scraper there is perfect. Yeah, I was just okay. I was, to be honest, just grateful that I didn't break anything, because anyone who knows me will know I've never thought of myself as clumsy or a faller. But hold on one sec. But I spoke to a friend and told her what I'd done, and she said, "I feel bad, but I'm not surprised." So I was like, "Oh." Hold on, just stand up straight for me. We do one scoop.
Auntie Ellie's here, Pen, and she's saying that she misses us.
Oh, can I say hi to Auntie Ellie?
Hi, Auntie Ellie.
Hi. So we're going to pour our banana. Do you want to take the spatula and pour it in?
The connection's been really poor today.
Oh, sorry. Can you turn around this side so you can see it?
Oh,
Yes.
Auntie Ellie for these spatulas.
Oh yeah, it was Auntie Ellie who brought these spatulas, wasn't it? So all straight into the loaf tin. Yeah, I get that. That's big.
Messy, this bit.
It's a little bit messy, but the oven will just make it all nice and even and lovely, won't it? So we'll just scrape all that down.
Yeah.
We don't want to waste any, do we?
Yeah.
We'll get that last bit in. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Yep.
And the social media guru Hannah Dean is watching as well.
Oh, hi Hannah. She is a social media guru, that's right. So Penny, how does that look? Something's really good, something. We'll call it that. So this is our banana loaf now. We're going to pop it into the oven, which I preheated before we started to 170, and then we're going to show you what it's going to look like in about 45 minutes time. So let's pop this in.
Ellie's asking where Tobias is. Well, he's not quite been himself this morning, so he's upstairs probably listening to some music.
Probably some kind of drum and bass really loud. We'll see.
But yeah, no, he's still keen. He's not over it just yet.
Yeah, he still enjoys the bacon live, especially the eating part. So I've just put them in the oven, and I'm going to put them on for probably 25 to 30 minutes, and then they'll need covering with foil for a further 15 minutes. You need to, how do you check if the cake's done?
You put like a little like skewer into it, and if it's like all like wet, that means you have to put it in for a little longer, like 5 minutes or 10. And if it's nice and clean, you can take it out and just leave it so.
Good baking knowledge, Penny. So here,
Do we get to try it now?
yes, here is our banana loaf once it's been cooking. This one probably took around an hour, to be honest. I had to pop it back in again because it wasn't quite done in the middle. So I'm just going to show you what it should look like when it's done.
I like the edge bit.
Yeah, to be honest, the edge bit's not the best bit. It should be speckled with black bits and be like that. And it should have like this nice brown crust around the edge and be lovely, that nice colour with the speckled bit. Now, Penny's going to try it. Penny has always told me she doesn't like banana loaf, but I'm going to give her a piece of this centre to try. So this could be not successful for me on camera, but tell me what you think. I'm going to tell It's okay. One thing you could do, if your kids aren't big banana fans, is you could add some chocolate chips to the mix before you put it in, so you could have chocolate and banana loaf. But that is our easy peasy banana loaf, so we hope you enjoy having a go at it, and I will also save this so that you can try it at a later date. But yes, we will see you soon. You say bye, Penny.